Chahi nouriba angang shingna high-tech Gadget Shing Shijinnabana Naa Tathiba taba ngambagi panggal sonthanabagi Maram Oirakli. Oja amadi mama mapa singna cheksinba mathau tai haina Health Services ki Director Dr Chambo Gonmei na phongdokhre. Lamphilda leiba Indian Medical Association IMA Manipur State Branch ki Heritage Hall da World Hearing Day 2025 ki palan thauram pangdokhre. National Program for Prevention and Control of Deafness State Health Society NHM na punna sinduna pangthokpa thauram aduda Health Services ki Director Dr Chambo Gonmei, Family Welfare ki Director Dr N Hemanta Kumar, Manipur Health Services Special Grade Dr N Vino amadi RIMS Imphal ki Otorino Laryngology Department ke HOD Dr TH Sudhiranjan Amaruoi Bamithunglen Singoina Sarugaki, changing mindsets, empower yourself to make ear and hearing care a reality for all. Haibawakalonda Pangthokpa World Hearing Day Lisingani Kunmangagi. Thauram mari lenana Dr Chambo Gonmei na makhatara dunahai India ke apun mamising manungda chada mapan dasmik mapan amadi chahi humfugi mathakta leiriba miyoi kaya nana taba ngamdabagi awaba mayok na duna punsi leli Maramaduna nana taba ngamdabagi laina asi hakchin lauduna mataw karam na anaba si haurakpadagi matang matam chana layenggadagi haiba mipum khudingmak na khangjinba mathaw tai phongdokhi.
But in childhood, many people are suffering from ear infection and we call it otitis media. So chronic otitis media can also cause loss of hearing. Many parents are quite ignorant about the deafness of children. And then during the monthly tests, I used to fail because I could not see what is written in the board properly. And I was afraid to tell my teacher that I cannot see also. And I think our teachers and our parents and all, they should discourage all the children not to use or avoid using these mobile phones and other electronic gadgets.